In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Groww to TradingView and explain what's actually possible right now. First, open TradingView. At the bottom of the screen, click on Trading Panel. If you don't see it, click on the Trade button in the top right corner. Here, you'll see a list of brokers that can be directly connected to TradingView. Now, this is important. Groww is not listed here, which means Groww cannot be directly connected to TradingView at the moment. So you cannot link your Groww account inside TradingView. Now, what's the solution? Simply open a new browser tab and go to groww.in. Click on Login in the top right corner and sign in using your Groww account details. Once your Groww dashboard opens, keep it open in one tab. Now use TradingView separately for charting, technical analysis, indicators, and trade planning. Whenever you're ready to place a trade, switch back to the Groww tab and place your order directly from there. This is how you can effectively use Groww and TradingView together for now, even without direct integration. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.